Very good morning dear students and welcome to today's mathematics class. Today we will start with chapter number 30, section and midpoint formula. You already studied in your previous classes about the coordinate axes, that is x-axis and y-axis, and the coordinate plane. So using the knowledge of coordinate geometry, we may find the various things like the distance between 2 points, the coordinate of a point which divides the line segment joining the given points in a given ratio, and many other things, midpoint formula, the equation of line, etc. So today in this chapter we will start with the section and midpoint formula. So first of all we start with section formula. Now what is section formula? Section, you know, section means the parts. So section formula is applied to find the coordinate of a point which divides a given line segment whose endpoints are given in a certain ratio. So section formula is used to find the coordinates of a point which divide the join of 2 points in a certain ratio. And the formula is, suppose we are having 2 points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2, and another point P which divide the join of AB in M1 ratio M2. It means M1 ratio M2 is proportional to AP ratio PB, means the ratio of part AP and part PB is equal to M1 over M2, or M1 M2 ratio is equal to AP ratio PB. Now the coordinate of point P are given by M1 x2, we multiply M1 with x2, then M2 with x1, add these two and divide by sum of M1 and M2. Similarly for y coordinate, multiply M1 with y2, M2 with y1, then add and divide by M1 plus M2. So you can remember the whole expression as the coordinates of a point P which divide the line segment joining the points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 in the ratio M1 ratio M2 are given by P, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 over M1 plus M2 and M1 y2 plus M2 y1 over M1 plus M2. P is the name of the point and these are the coordinates. First is the coordinate of x and second is the coordinate of y. Now, in order to understand the application of section formula, we will start with exercise 13A, question number first. The statement is, calculate the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining A 1 3, B 5 9 in the ratio 1 ratio 2. So here x1 y1 is 1 3, x2 y2 is 5 9 and M1 ratio M2, that is AP ratio PB is 1 ratio 2. So we know the section formula. Coordinates of P are given by M1 x2 plus M2 x1 over M1 plus M2, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 over M1 plus M2. So using section formula and by substituting values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and M1, M2, we get coordinates of P as 1 into 5 plus 2 into 1 over 1 plus 2, 1 into 9 plus 2 into 3 over 1 plus 2. So after simplification it is 5 plus 2 over 3, 9 plus 6 over 3. So it is 7 over 3, 15 over 3. We can cancel 15 with 3, it is 5. So finally the coordinates of P are 7 by 3, 5. So in this way, by applying section formula, we can find the coordinates of any point when the ratio is given and the endpoint coordinates are also given. Students, note one thing, that sometimes we are given with the coordinates or some condition where we need to find the ratio in which the join of two given point is divided by a third point. The coordinates of third points may be given or it may be related with some condition. Then we consider m1 ratio m2 as k ratio 1. And then by applying section formula and equating with given point, or by applying the given condition, we can find the value of k, and hence we can find the ratio k ratio 1. We can directly solve the question or the problems by taking the ratio as m1 ratio m2, but in that case we have to find the two coordinates or two unknown values, m1 and m2. But if we convert the ratio into k ratio 1, then we have to calculate only one unknown, that is k, and with the help of that k we can find the ratio. Students, now we will take question number 5 in order to understand how to find the ratio. The statement of the fifth question is, in what ratio does the point A6 divide the join of -4, 3 and 2, 8, and also find the value of E. So here A point is -4, 3, B point is 2, 8, and P point is A6. We assume P A6 divide the join of A -4, 3 and B 2, 8 in k ratio 1. So by applying the section formula, and section formula is coordinates of P are m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2, and here x1 y1 is -4, 3, x2 y2 is 2, 8, and m1 ratio m2 is k ratio 1. So we get A6. A6 are the given coordinates, and using section formula we get k into 2 plus 1 into -4 over k plus 1 by substituting values of m1, x2, m2, x1 here, and k into 8 plus 1 into 3 over k plus 1 again by substituting the values of m1, y2, m2 and y1, and it become A6 is equal to 2k minus 4 over k plus 1, 8k plus 3 over k plus 1. Now these two are same, so we equate the corresponding terms, first term with first term and second term with second term. On equating we get first term with first term, A is equal to 2k minus 4 over k plus 1, name this as equation number 1, and second term with second term, it is 6 equal to 8k plus 3 over k plus 1, so name this as equation number 2. Now in 2 we can see that only k is unknown, all others are number, so we start from equation 2, solving it. Equation 2 is 6 into 8k plus 3 over k plus 1. First of all cross multiply, we get 6 into k plus 1 is equal to 8k plus 3. Then open the bracket, it is 6k plus 6 is equal to 8k plus 3. Then shift the terms containing k to left hand side and without k to right hand side. We get minus 2k is equal to minus 3. Negative negative cancel, so k comes out to be 3 by 2. So therefore required ratio is 3 by 2 ratio 1. And ratio is not in fraction, so we will take LCM 2, 3 ratio 2. So the final ratio will be 3 ratio 2. Also in the question, they said to find the value of A. Now we are with the value of k and k is 3 by 2. So in order to find the value of A, we have equation number 1, A is equal to 2k minus 4 over k plus 1. So we can put the value of k in equation number 1. So it is A is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 minus 4 over 3 by 2 plus 1. So 2 and 2 cancel. So it is 3 minus 4 over 5 by 2, because 3 by 2 plus 1, LCM 2, 3 plus 2 over 2, 5 by 2. It get reversed, reciprocal. So minus 1 into 2 by 3. So the value of A is equal to minus 2 by 5. Students, now we will take one more question from exercise 13, question number 6. The statement is, in what ratio is the join of 4, 3 and 2 minus 6 divided by the x-axis? Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So here we assume that the join of A 4, 3 and B 2 minus 6 is divided by the x-axis at P in k ratio 1. Now as P lies on x-axis and we know the y coordinate on x-axis is 0, so therefore coordinates of P will be a comma 0. Here x1 y1 is 4 3, x2 y2 is 2 minus 6, m1 m2 is k ratio 1. So by applying section formula we get coordinates of P equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. And substituting the values according to question, we assume the coordinate of P as a0. So a0 is equal to, by substituting the values of m1, m2, x1, x2, y1, y2, we get this. So after simplification, it is a0 is equal to 2k plus 4 over k plus 1 minus 6k plus 3 over k plus 1. Now we can equate the corresponding terms, first coordinate with first coordinate, second coordinate with second coordinate. So x coordinate of both sides are equal. So it is a equal to 2k plus 4 over k plus 1. Name this one. And y coordinates are also equal. So it is 0 equal to minus 6k plus 3 over k plus 1. Name this 2. So first we take equation number 2 in order to find the value of k. Simplify, cross multiply 0 into k plus 1 is 0. Shift 6k to left hand side, 6k is equal to 3. So k is equal to 3 by 6. So k 3 by 6. And 3 and 6 cancel, it is 1 by 2. So it means the join of A 4 3 and 2 6 is divided by 1 ratio 2. 1 by 2 ratio 1, that is 1 ratio 2 by the x-axis. So this is the first answer, the ratio. The join of A 4 3 and B 2 minus 6 is divided by 1 ratio 2 by the x-axis. Further we need to calculate the coordinates of P, the point where the line segment is divided by the x-axis. So first equation, by using first equation is A is equal to 2k plus 4 over k plus 1. So we get the value of k as 1 by 2. So we put k 1 by 2 in equation number 1 and we get A is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 4 over 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 cancel 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5 and 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1. By taking LCM, we get it is equal to 3 by 2. Take its reciprocal, multiply with 5. So we get A is equal to 10 by 3. So ultimately, the result star, where we assume that coordinates of P are A comma 0. Put value of A here. So A is 10 by 3. So it means coordinates of P is equal to 10 by 3 comma 0.